We are, what do you call that one, love? Put putty on the wall, right?
Skim coat.
Skim coat on the plywood wall, and after it get dry, we will paint it.
By the time we get done, we get to this side, will be right. Start putting the latex paint on.
Yeah, we put latex paint. So it's only this side because it got wallpaper there already, and this side got white paint already. Just this side is.
Those paintings, white paintings painted over it. Looks bad.
So we have the ceiling is not painted, but we're not gonna do that because the ceiling is too big.
If anybody do it, because I'm not renting this house right bigger that long. The reason I'm doing these walls is so ugly when they interfere with their videos.
We only paint this side. Right now we put a wall putty. I'm helping. I do the bottom side right here because I'm short. I'm only 4'11". So I have to do the bottom.
I need a bigger space. I can buy one. I still said you want no help. I got back and she said,
Whole putty is done already. See? Now he's painting it purple. He's a good painter. I hate painting, but he's good painter. He hate painting, but a good painter.
I hate painting and I do as fast as I can, but it always turns out good.
It's color purple, but it look like, does that look like purple? Right? Look at the camera. Right? Look like blue. It's purple, but it's not blue. That's blue though. And now it's done. It's done. Now it's done. He's drying it out. What are you doing? That drying, right?
Yeah, hardening the latex paint.
We use a latex paint, so now he's hardening it. So we can dry faster, and we can put back our stuff on the wall.
2,000 watts. We got it on the high setting. Using all 2,000 watts.
That's the only different color in the house. Purple.
See this here? That's a different color. Turn the same color. See it? See it? It's a different color, and it's turning the same color. Wait, this is drying. Because I just found out this wall is moist. The way to paint it the next time so it won't do that is to put sanding sealer on it.
You said you're gonna do it. Why you didn't do it?
Because I thought that it felt right. I should have know what I should have done. That moisture tester in there that I bought. I forgot about it.
Look, she's crying. Okay, we're done. Okay, it's done and all done. The furniture, I mean, what? I thought that was picture frame. Picture frame are back. Thanks to you, love.
Thanks what I do.
You paint.
Really?
We want to color the whole thing, but we don't own the house. So just paint that side that they didn't paint before. I always like purple. Purple is a relaxing color.
I want to paint that big one. Kind of iffy about it.